Gear review. This is the Lumix S1R, and it's an amazing camera. I bought it almost 2 years ago, and bought it together with a Sigma 24 to 70mm f2.8 lens, and now I just got rid of the 24 to 70. Not because it's a bad lens. It's a fantastic lens. It's a perfect lens. Clinically, just optically perfect, beautifully built, highest build quality ever. Image quality is amazing and it's so practical. The image come out are just amazing. The reason why I sold it is because it overlaps with most of my Micro Four Thirds standard lenses. I have the Leica 12 to 60. They overlap in the range, and I have this one like a 10 to 25 f1.7. They give more or less the same depth of field, so basically I have everything I need in Micro Four Thirds system. I don't really need a big, super heavy, super fancy lens for full frame setup. It's really redundant. I don't really use S1R that way. I don't carry S1R every day to shoot, so I don't need standard zoom. I need more specialized lenses, so I got rid of that big heavy lens that I cannot carry everywhere, and I got this nimble 35mm f1.8 lens instead, and this is an awesome lens. It's beautiful, lots of bokeh, and just really compact. And I use the S1R for a lot of video. Actually, I make tennis video with the 14 to 28 lens. It's also very compact, lightweight, super ultra wide, brilliant lens for recording video, for recording tennis session. And yeah, I use more S1R because it actually has unlimited recording time in 1080p, so that's super convenient. And I don't want to use my G9 Mark II because I don't want to, a ball hit the camera and the tripod fall over and smash the camera. I don't want to ruin that. I would rather to have my S1R destroyed than the G9 Mark II. So yeah, that's the reason. That's how I'm using the S1R. So hopefully with the prime lens 35mm f1.8, I will be using the S1R more for photography. This is actually, it's supposed to be a more photography camera. It's kind of like, with this setup, it's kind of like a Leica Q2 alternative. Instead of 28mm lens, you have 30. I have 35mm here. This is my choice, my favorite focal length for prime, and I think this is more versatile. It's more versatile for photography because when you zoom in, you can punch in, crop in digitally in post. You can get kind of 50mm kind of field of view and even 70mm field of view. It's very practical. It's more versatile than a 28 wide angle lens because you can't really punch in that much, and when you shoot on the street, you have to get really up close to actually get nice shots. So with 35mm, you can actually have a little bit distance, and you can always punch in a little bit to pretend that it's a 50mm. When you punch into 50mm equivalent field of view, it actually still gives you like 20 megapixel resolution. So it's definitely very practical. So you can use it. Definitely use it as both 35 and 50mm, like 2-in-1 lenses. And if you want to stretch it a little bit to use at a 70mm focal length, then this one gives you 12 megapixel resolution on the S1R. So yeah, this S1R with 47 megapixel sensor, it's very practical with this setup. I think 35 is perfect focal length for it. So yeah, Leica Q series is really amazing camera, but the one thing I don't like is that the lens is too wide, 28mm, and as many people have reported online saying that it's actually not a 28mm, it's even wider, it's more like a 24mm, maybe 25, 26mm. So it's probably too wide. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. A little bit video because I don't make video very often on this channel. Just want to refresh a little bit, give you a little bit update. Nothing crazy, and I'm gonna make quite a few reviews. I have a lot of new gear. Obviously, the 35mm. I'm gonna review this. The 14 to 28. I'm gonna review this. I have the TT Artisan 25mm f2 lens. I already have script ready, just need to put the footage together, put picture sample image together, and record the voiceover. And I have the Olympus 40-150 f2.8 lens. It's amazing lens. I have to review that as well. The Leica 8-18 lens, I still have to review it. I lent it to a friend, so I don't have it on my hand, so I cannot really take images of it with it. Oh, the GX 800, I have to review the camera as well. A mini review. I don't usually review cameras, but I can do a mini review. It's really an awesome camera. Yeah, that's it. A lot of awesome stuff. Amazing stuff. Subscribe and stay tuned for more content. We have a lot of gear to review. I'm gonna try to make more videos. I'm gonna try to be less lazy and show up on the camera a little bit more. People like reviewers showing up on the camera. No face, no subscription. That's the unspoken rule. Subscribe.